Picture this, a beautiful home, perfectly staged, but something's missing. It's sparkling clean. A clean home can make all the difference when it comes to selling properties. With TidyTex Home Cleaning, a veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we elevate your listings to shine brighter than the competition. Our professional cleaning service preps homes for sale, ensuring they look pristine for open houses and buyer visits. When homes are clean, they sell faster and for top dollar, making your job as a realtor much easier. Our flexible scheduling allows for quick turnarounds because we understand the urgency in real estate. Plus, we're dedicated to making every corner of your property shine, from the kitchen to the bathrooms. Here's a tidy tip for realtors. Open all blinds and turn on lights before showings. A well-lit, airy space instantly makes the home feel more inviting, showcasing its best features and helping buyers envision their future there. With TidyTex, you're not just getting a cleaning service, you're investing in your property's success and your client's satisfaction. Don't wait. Contact us today for more details. Visit app.tidytex.us or call 210-951-8206. Let us help you close those deals faster.